All right, guys, so we got a 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. It's all over the internet. This is one of two. He's got the second one that he's bringing hopefully tomorrow or the next day, because that one is the fastest in the world. It's on YouTube. Look it up. But on this one, it's on Miltech's website. It's an exhaust company. They supplied the exhaust system for it. So it's got high flow cats there out of Australia. But I forgot the name of the company, he said. And then this is the Miltech system, but it was all straight pipe. It was loud and raspy. It didn't sound good at all. So we added them 2 resonators there, and then also added them an X pipe there. And before you guys talk about the welds, it was a pain, okay? But we got it in. We had to readjust everything. Then this Miltech system is crazy. It's got 4 pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the valves are closed, it goes through the muffler on each pipe. When the valves are open, it goes straight through. That's how this system works, okay? But that's a Miltech system. Here's the part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for it if you guys want it. But we added an X pipe before, and we added an X pipe after. He wanted that exotic, deep, clean tone. By adding the 2 X pipes, it really helped the tone of it. I'll let you guys hear it. And then we redid his tailpipes and moved them and made them fit the new X pipe that you guys can see right there. And there's the tailpipes out the back with the tips there and there. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe. So this is in quiet mode, guys. Give it gas. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. It's right at 96, right at factory almost. 95, 96. One more. So that's quiet mode, okay? One more. Very bearable, you can hear the blow-off valve. All right, go ahead and open it. This is in Baja mode. Give it gas. Clean, no rasp. That's what he was looking for, no rasp. Again. Oh, it's clean. I love it. It came out perfect. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. Again. All right, go ahead and back it up. And we have noticed when we added the X pipe in, it gained a lot of like takeoff speed. Go ahead. This is quiet mode. Again. Open it up. This is Baja mode next. That's clean. Again. Go ahead. That's really clean. I'm gonna let you guys hear it on the inside. What a beautiful truck, guys. And we made it sound perfect. I hope you guys like it. Super chill guy. We really appreciate him coming down. He's gonna bring us his next one next week. And it's supposed to be the fastest Raptor in America. So, this is his wife's we just fixed for him. Woohoo! What a beast! Beast mode! Enjoy, guys.